Our way of going to market is a consultative selling process with the end user.
What the site survey really does is we go into a customer's facility, either today virtually we're doing that, or we go into their site. We work with a variety of different people within the organization, whether it be health and safety, operations, finance, non-traditional departments. When you think that from a cleaning standpoint, we generally would work with the custodial department or housekeeping. We're working with all the different departments to really understand their goals, their priorities, their objectives for the coming year, the existing year, and the next 5 years out. What's really important is that we're able to identify those labor savings. So for example, if they were mopping their floors for 2.5 hours a day, and having 2 people do that, that might cost them $29,000 in labor. Well, if we're able to move them over to a different solution like our Micro 5 and save them $14,000 a year in labor, now we're starting to get some grit behind what they're trying to achieve. And the third and most important part is those health and safety and environmental reasons to change. So many folks walk through their facility with blinders on. So walking past that spray bottle that doesn't have the right labels, or walking past their MSDS book to find that everything that's in there is outdated and doesn't have current SDSs, or that labeling on their product is now outdated as they changed regulations and they haven't kept up with the times. So we help them identify some of those blind spots that they may have from a health and safety perspective, as well as those environmental challenges that they may be trying to achieve.